Welcome. Welcome friends in Pharmaceutical Chemistry 2. Today's topic is hypnotic and sedatives. Myself Mrs. Urmila Ravindra Gauri, lecturer in KK Wag Institute of Pharmacy, Chandori. First of all, we see what is the learning outcomes. After watching this video, student will able to name a hypnotic and sedative drugs according to IUPAC system. To understand the mechanism of action of hypnotics and sedative drugs. To classify hypnotic and sedative drugs in different ways, and to recognize the hypnotic and sedative drugs on the basis of their structure, physical property, uses, and their brand names. Sedatives. Sedative is the drug that reduces excitement and calms the person without inducing sleep. Hypnotics. It is the drug that produces sleep resembling normal sleep. Anti-anxiety. Anxiety is characterized by psychological symptoms, that is, tension, fear, lack of concentration, and sympathetic and somatic symptoms, for example, tachycardia, tremors, sweating, and GI distresses. The difference between sedatives and hypnotics. Sedatives, these are the drugs which reduces excitement, calm the patients, and hypnotics, these are the drugs which produces sleep and resembling natural sleep. Sedatives in therapeutic doses are anxiolytic agents, and hypnotics, they are used for initiation and maintenance of sleep. Most sedative in large doses produces hypnosis, and hypnotic in higher doses produces general anesthesia. Sedative drugs has site of action on the limbic system, which reduces thoughts and mental functions, and hypnotic has site of action is on the midbrain and ascending RAS, which maintains wakefulness. Now, classification of hypnotics and sedatives. These are broadly classified into two: barbiturate and non-barbiturates. Barbiturates are also classified depending upon duration of action. First, long-acting barbiturates. These are active 4 hours or more. For example, barbitone and phenobarbital. Second, intermediate acting barbiturates, 3 to 6 hours. For example, butybarbital. Next class, short acting barbiturate, less than 3 hours. For example, cyclobarbital. Next, ultra short acting, that is intravenous barbiturate, half an hours, and for example, methoxytone sodium, thiopentone sodium. Next class, non-barbiturate, that is divided into benzodiazepine. For example, diazepam, nitrazepam. Other cyclic nitrogen containing compounds, that is amide and imide. For example, glutathione and methylpyrrolone. Next class, acyclic nitrogen containing compounds, for example, mipромate and ethanamate. Next class, alcohol and their derivatives, for example, tricyclophos sodium and ecorvinol. Next class, aldehyde and its derivative, for example, paraldehyde. And last, miscellaneous drugs, for example, bromides and antihistaminics, that is 111 brokers like diphenhydramine and promethazine. First of all, we see detail about barbiturates. First drug is phenobarbital. This is the structure of phenobarbital. At 5 position, it contains ethyl and phenyl group. Therefore, chemical name is 5-ethyl 5-phenyl barbituric acid. Physical property: it is white, glistening, small crystal or white crystalline powder. It is odorless and it has slightly bitter taste. It may exhibit polymorphism, and it is very slightly soluble in water and soluble in alcohol and in solutions of alkali hydroxide and carbonates. Storage. Phenobarbital is stable compound, therefore it is hygroscopic and hence it is stored in tightly closed container. Uses. It is used as sedative in nervous insomnia, anxiety state, dysmenorrhea and thyrotoxicosis. It is anticonvulsant and used to treat grand mal and psychomotors. It is also used to treat neonatal jaundice and Gilbert's syndrome. Pharmaceutical formulation. It is available in phenobarbital tablet, phenobarbital and theobromide tablet, phenobarbital capsule, phenobarbital elixir, phenobarbital sodium tablet, phenobarbital sodium injection. Brand names: Gardenal, Garion, Finital and Luminal. Next drug form barbiturate is butobarbital, which is also called butobarbital. It is differ from phenobarbital in having isobutyl radical instead of phenyl group. Physical property. It is white crystalline powder. It has very slight odor and it has slightly bitter taste. Solubility. It is slightly soluble in water and freely soluble in alcohol, and it readily dissolves in alkali hydroxide and carbonate solutions. Storage. It is stored in well-closed container. Uses. It is an intermediate acting barbiturate, therefore it is used as a sedative in insomnia, and it is also used for preoperative medication to induce patient to relax and rest. Pharmaceutical formulation. It is available in butobarbital tablet, brand name Ethobral and Soniril. Next drug, cyclobarbital. It is differ from phenobarbital in having cyclohexene-1-yle radical instead of phenyl group at C5 position. Physical property. Its calcium salts occur as white or slightly yellowish crystalline powder. It is odorless and it has bitter persistent taste. Solubility. It is sparingly soluble in water. Storage. Store in tightly closed container. Uses. It is an intermediate acting barbiturate and it is used as sedative in insomnia. It is also used for preoperative medication to induce patient to relax and rest. Pharmaceutical formulation. Cyclobarbital calcium tablets, brand names Rapidol and Cyclomed. Next part with non-barbiturates will be continue in next part. Thank you. Thank you so much for watching this video.